Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session of differential equation. Now, we will upgrade our part by handling linear differential equation. So, first try to understand how does this differential equation will look like. Look at this. So just focus on the color. Okay, you will have dy by dx and the numerator is y, so you will have y in addition. And look at the denominator is in terms of x, so you will have one function in x with y and one function in x on the right hand side. Suppose you have changed the variable by using dt by dx. So you will have one variable t in addition with dt by dx, and then look at the denominator is dx. So you will have function in x with t and function in x on the right hand side. Okay, suppose that you will have this situation dx by dy. So you want x to be in the addition with dx by dy. Now denominator is y, so you want a function in y with x and a function in x on the right hand side, means this thing and this thing, function in x, function in x, function in x, function in y, function in y. And if this is x, you want x over here. If this is t, you want t over here. If this is y, you want y over here. I hope the idea is clear. Like suppose you are not able to apply variable separable method, and then you tried using those three filters of variable separable method, means dy by dx equals to linear, if it fails, dy by dx equals to linear by linear, it fails again, dy by dx equals to you will have x dx plus y dy in you will convert your question into polar form. Again, suppose that you are not able to apply all these things, then you will upgrade to linear differential equation. So this is the, if your question can be converted into this format, which is higher possibility, like I'm telling you, like you know that in upcoming year you will have question from this chapter, you will have one question from this chapter, and there is higher possibility that you guys will have question from this particular part only. Okay, so this is very important part when it comes to this chapter. So how we will handle this situation? So you have to memorize this standard form. You will be writing y times e power integration. I am talking about this particular part. Okay, so suppose you have this situation, so y times e power px dx is equal to whole integration q of x and then again e to the power px dx. So you have to handle this situation to get the required result done. I hope the idea is clear, and the moment you will convert your question into this form, you can recognize this statement to solve this differential equation. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.